Hi, I'm Gian. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of making caramel sauce. Even if you're a starter and a beginner of baking, or cooking, you can build up from this point, and you can probably still succeed your first attempt. So first I'm gonna walk you through the ingredients. So over here we got some heavy cream, and it's one cup and a fourth cup of 1 1/4 cup of heavy cream. And over here I have some sugar, and it's 1 1/2 cup of sugar. And over here I have a 1/3 cup of water, and then we have a little hint of half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So over here we have a candy thermometer, and here it's just like a stirring spoon, and you also need a spatula, and yeah, these are the materials basically. And you need a saucepan about this big, with of course a stove. Now this is the fun part. You get this, and then you get the sugar, and you dump the sugar and the water into the stove, and into the saucepan. So first we're gonna have it on lowest heat. So we're gonna first wait until the sugar dissolves. We're gonna have to swirl it. Oh gosh. Try not to get any sugar on the side, because it will probably mess up the caramelization and crystallization of the caramel. The sugar is slowly dissolving, but it's taking quite a bit. It looks like an ice rink. Oh, it's starting to dissolve. Gosh, I got some sugar on the edge. Gonna get it off. I'll try a bit hard. Sorry, this time lapse was a bit shaky, but yeah, I think it's dissolved now. So, turn the heat to medium, and yeah, it'll start getting. So, also the candy thermometer will be good for now because. So first, try to get the. So put it in like that, and then. Yeah, I guess. Oh yes, it's touching. Okay. So you'll watch. You can see the temperatures going up on the candy thermometer slowly. Yeah, you'll want it to get to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about over here. So I think we'll have to wait for a bit. I think this thing isn't reaching because this pan is really wide and like has a big diameter. So I'm just gonna tilt it a bit so the caramel touches, not yet caramel, but it touches the candy thermometer's point where it detects the temperature. And yeah, I can see it going up now. It's not too far, it's like halfway, more than halfway there. Gosh. Again, if there is sugar crystallizing above the caramel, please push it down with either a spoon or a brush or a the candy thermometer. So now it's really getting kind of boily and the bubbles are really high now. So now I don't even have to do that thing. Yeah. I think I'm probably actually gonna have to take it out before 350 because this time it's kind of reaching some state where it's taking some of the boiled spark, crystallizing sugar pieces, and it's kind of mixing in. So yeah, I think it's. So I'll probably get it at, okay. And this is okay, it's not gonna burn yet. I'll turn it down a bit so it doesn't burn so quickly because caramel is super risky. So yeah, I think it's really dangerous. Okay, it's going up. I'm really scared now because I don't want to fail this. Okay, I think it's really getting kind of brown. Okay. I guess I'll just do it the other way because it's taking so much sugar from that place. Gosh. It's almost there. It's almost there. Gosh. Oh man, I am so scared. Oh yes, it's good. It's good. It's light brown. So it's 320 Fahrenheit now. I hope it'll let me wait until 350. Like I said, it goes so quickly. And it, like 5 seconds makes a huge difference in how successful you are. So it's partly actually luck. Whew. Yeah, I'm scared. Okay, it's 3:30 now. My heartbeat's crazy, gosh. Okay, oh gosh, gotta turn off, gosh. Okay, let's turn off the heat now. Add in the cream and the vanilla. I hope it's not burnt. I really hope it's not burnt. All right, I got the wrong spoon. Oh my, I think it didn't burn. I took it off a bit early. I took it off at about 3:30 or 3:40. Oh, look at that. Oof. Man, look at that beauty. Oh my, that beautiful color. That's crazy. Let me smell it. Oh my. Luckily it's not burnt. If I waited for 5 seconds, it would have been black. It smells like Hershey's caramel. It's amazing. Also, I got this recipe from food.com, and yeah, I mean, sorry, the Food Network, and it's really good. And the first time I made this recipe, or I used this recipe, it worked perfectly. and it was like this. It was just slightly burnt, but it still tasted super good. Okay, now let it cool for about 25 minutes. And then I think the best thing is to do is leave it in the fridge overnight, so it like really cools off. So yeah. So simmer this over low heat. After it cools for like 2 minutes, and yeah. So we're just gonna wait for 2 minutes more. So if you want to make a small twist on this caramel, you can add salt. So it's like sea salt caramel, and it's really good for. In France you eat it by itself in some occasions, but I like to eat it with cake or hot chocolate definitely, or if you're like a grown up, then coffee. Yeah.